Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing USDCAD and GBP Before we get into the video, hit the subscribe button below. I'd really appreciate it. And turn on the notification bell, guys, so you don't miss any of our uploads. Because this coming week, I'll be dropping videos almost every day. So make sure you turn on the notification bell. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get into it. Now we're on the daily time frame on USDCAD, and we are seeing this current pattern right over here of charts over here. So I'm gonna start betting at the levels that I'm seeing on the market. So I'm seeing this level right over here. Sorry, okay, yeah, we can see that the level is well respected, and let's cater for the lower side. We can see over here as well it's been respected, but let's push it a little bit. So here, so we can see starting from this point here, the level here is well respected. So we have our support level and our resistance level over there. So here is our mid-range level on the market. So it's this level right over here. So these are the levels that I'm seeing on the markets right now on the daily time frame. So I'll just use the squares to cater for it. Okay, I'll just use the gray color as well. So I'm trying by all means to keep my chart as clean as possible for y'all to see. Okay, so this square here, I was supposed to extend it up until right over here, because as well as this area here is well respected, so it's currently a zone there, but I'm just gonna leave it like that because you're not gonna focus on it right now. And here let's leave a line. Okay, let me remove this. So starting from here, I can see, let me see, I'm seeing a beautiful trend line to the lower side there. So let me use the dash lines. Let me remove these lines for now. So you can see that the market over here is first, second, and this is our third touch. So you're anticipating push to the upper side. We did have a push to the upper side, but it seems like if we are going to start from this point over here. So I'm trying to use the body of the candlestick for this one. Let me use the line chart, guys, so I don't miss any point. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let us go back to our candlesticks. Okay. Cool. So currently you can see we do have a beautiful pattern right over there. So now we can see the market has formed a beautiful triangle right over here. We had the first touch, second touch on the upper side, second touch on the lower side, and we had a little bit of retest, and this is a third touch on the upper side. So currently expecting a move to the lower side, and as you can see, it hit our mid-range level here. So there's a possibility that this pair could push to the lower side. So let us move to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so now you're on the 4-hour time frame. Sorry. Okay, yeah. So we can see by the looks of things, without going further, we can see that the market touched this area here, and bear in mind this is our mid-range level here. I can just use a zone for now, so you guys can spot it as well. This level here, it is well respected as well. So I'm just gonna use the blue color here. Okay, so looking from this at this on the 4-hour time frame, we can say this is a PNY candlestick showing the move to the lower side. So we are currently experiencing a move to the lower side, hence we're anticipating some momentum starting from this point up until over here or here. So we don't really know that, but let us keep on analyzing. So if we try to draw some of our trend lines, our levels on this lower time frame, I can see, oops, what am I doing? Sorry about that, guys. Okay, you can see this level right over here and this level right over here. So bear in mind, so we should have entered around this area here. Don't mean to set the pin bar here, but you can see that the market is already here and the markets are closed now because it's Sunday. um Wait guys, we did have this, pattern. Okay, so this is what we had before. um first second, and here we did breakout, so to touch that level over there, so it could be experiencing a push to lower side for now, but we can see that we are still around this area here. So let us wait for the next 4 hour candlestick to close below this level here to take the trade, because starting from here we are selling up until here. But if you would like to take the trade, it's quite a little bit risky, but the risk is quite fine, because if you did take some of our analysis that I've shared this week, you could be safe. So there's a possible movement we should anticipate on USD CAD. So that'll be all for USD CAD. But bear in mind, guys, let us wait here and see what's going on, because as you can see, we did have a push, correction, push, and this could be a correction before the breakout. So let us be careful with that. So I'll advise you to enter around here. So yeah, that'll be all for USD CAD. Let us move to GBP USD. Okay, so now we are on the daily time frame on GBP USD, and currently the markets are around this area over here. So I'm not gonna waste time with this one. I'm seeing a beautiful setup right over here. Sorry. Okay, I'm seeing a beautiful trend line right over here. Okay, on the daily time frame, when I can see starting from this one here, we did have this. It's quite long. Let me use this body, guys. From this point here, you can see you have a first, second, and there's a third touch, and the market is slow, so it closed with a hammer candlestick on the daily time frame, showing the potential of going to the upper side, because you can see this first, on the top, on the bottom, second, on the top, on the bottom again, that touch. So you could be anticipating the buy movement up until here. So let us move to the lower time frame, because this is what I'm seeing here. But wait, I'm seeing this level here as well. So let me mark it out. You can see this level here has been respected. So this could play as an important take profit for us. Let us move to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so yeah, okay. So currently we can see we are inside this pattern, and now we are around this area here. So I don't mind the background noise, guys. The birds making noise there, but we can see the pin bar again here on this area here, so showing us the buy movement for this one. So, and if we are to draw, wait, let me see. If I were to start here, will this be appropriate, guys? I don't really know that. So I could say that touch right here, but I'm not willing to use that because you can see the depth of it, so it's quite long. But I'm just not gonna use that for now to support the buy setup. We have this on the upper side, and I can say we have this over here on the lower side. So, but if we were to extend this, we can see this come from a long way. But I'm just gonna leave it like this so we can watch us can be as clean as possible, so we don't miss anything that occurs here. So if I were to do it like this, you can see by the long wicks of here, right over here, you can see this level here again. playing a huge role, showing us that the market could touch this area here and push it up aside. So for now on GBP I'm anticipating buy movements up until here. This is the kind of movement I'm anticipating up until maybe a little bit of playing around over here before we push to the upper side. So this is the kind of movement we should be anticipating on GBP. But for those who are willing to take the trade, should take their first take profit maybe around here, and second take profit right over here. And you can hold maybe if you want to up until this area here, now range here, or right over here on this line here. So to be safe, I hope you see what I'm doing, guys. Hope you do. And make sure you turn the notification bell button and subscribe so you don't miss any of the signals that I'll be sharing this coming week. So yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.